My name is Jill Van Gordon. I'm the Vice President of Guest Experience at the Perot Museum of Nature and Science.
My name is Carmen Menza, and I am an installation artist based here in Dallas, Texas. I've done the Velocity of Light, a Kaleidoscopic Journey installation for the Perot Museum.
This year was the perfect time for the Perot Museum of Nature and Science to partner with Aurora, working with them and artist Carmen Menza to transform the hexagonal shape that's a part of the Lyda Hill Gems and Minerals Hall. Really added to this whole winter experience.
As a fine artist, my concentration is really on the study of light and its sensory properties. And when Aurora proposed the idea of doing the installation here at the Perot, especially in the Gems and Minerals exhibit, I was just absolutely thrilled because it's one of my favorite parts of the Perot Museum. What makes us look at something longer and call something beautiful? And I started thinking about how light travels through space in a vacuum at one speed, but when it hits something like a gem or a stone, it's hitting a certain medium and it's changing speeds, but it's also changing direction. I think that's what creates the allure and the mystery that gems and minerals hold for us, is that you just stand in front of it and gaze at it longer because there's a certain mystery and the light is refracting and reflecting and polarizing. So that's where I started with it. And then I utilized my background in video and graphic design and put together a piece that we could project onto the architectural surface. My partner in crime, Joel Olivas, helped me with it, and he's an absolute genius at video mapping, so he brought it to life.
My name is Joel Olivas, and I am a projection artist. I am working together with Carmen Menza, bringing her ideas to reality through my technical skills. I'm very excited to put my skills to probably the coolest projection event in Dallas. Technology is a lot more accessible nowadays to do so many more things on an individual basis. And so really excited to kind of bring another perspective to entertainment and art as well through the use of technology.